Hello everyone, day 15 of the van experiment. So I got probably around 75% or so of the flooring done. Then it started to rain and I decided I'm going to go ahead and use that as an excuse to call it a night. And also I'm sure that people below and even beside me don't want the circular saw to be running past 7 o'clock. So I'm going to call it a night and go and get something to eat. But floor is looking good. It's feeling solid. I was a little worried because there's one spot. Actually, here, I can show you much more easy on this side. So we got the, or not. Well, anyway, we got, actually here it is, so we got a stud here and a stud here, but we don't have one here. So I was a little worried about how it would feel to be walking on, if it would drop much at all, but walking here now with where I have the wood, it seems to be pretty darn solid, so I'm not quite as worried about that as I was before. It doesn't really seem to give any more give than anywhere else, so hopefully it'll stay that way. So that's exciting. Oh, and I got my solar panels today. Here are 3 of the batteries, 66 pounds each. Yeah, I took 4 of those up the stairs to my 3rd-story apartment and regretted it. But I'm using it now to give some more give some more support here, so that when I use this crowbar to tap in the boards, then this won't give as much. So I had been doing it so that when I tap, it'd be running up against here, and I've using the tap block to tap into, so it'd have some extra support. But I decided it got to the point where I really needed to put the boards about where they're going to be on their own, because the larger it gets, the harder of course it's going to be to move it. So yeah, so I'm gonna should be able to finish this tomorrow. Should only take about an extra hour and a half or so at most to finish that up, and then I might start putting the solar panels on. I'm trying to decide. They're going to take up a little more space in here than I had thought. I still would have enough room for it. I'm sure I could make room for it. So I might start that tomorrow, or I might just go ahead and move in and take a few days off to be able to relax and recuperate from all this physical effort. I don't know. I'll think about it, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. I do know at least that I will need a saw for the end, so I'm not going to be able to completely finish the floor. So these are some of the scraps I just went ahead and put out just to see how close to the wall I'm going to get. So this is going to be pretty close, so I'll still have most of the flooring here, which will be nice. But I need to get my hands on a table saw. A table saw, a place to use it, and a outlet, so that I can use the last bit of boards and cut. Looks like about, what, 2.5 inches for each of the 4 boards that go into it. 4, actually 5, I guess. It depends on where I'm at in the distribution. So we'll see. But anyway, so yeah, feeling good. That's looking good. I like the darker wood and the sort of rustic, I think it's called the brush, I believe is the word for it, look. And I should have gotten more than enough of these, so I can at least return that one box that's there that I hadn't opened yet. It's on the bottom there. Get a little money back, which should be nice. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. And lots of good accomplished today. I had to leave work early, so that'll be a cut in the pay, but I'll have to probably do the same tomorrow, which I think will be fine. I think I'm good with that, just to be able to make some more progress and be able to get out sooner. So anyway, this video is longer than it should be. So thanks everyone again for all of your enthusiasm and likes and suggestions and encouragement. And have a good night.